It's noon 5. It's 12:05, September 8, in front of the Chinese embassy. Again, as you know that they stopped taking people in after noon, so they have stopped, and these are all the people that's been left to get the service. And we are asking them to see if there's a list where we could write our names and then come back tomorrow with whoever has a name on the list would get priority, but they're not going to do anything like that. So the bottom line, all these people come back tomorrow again and wait from, say, 3 or 4 in the morning to be within the first 60 people who get the privilege to get into the embassy service. This is it. This was the last part of the whole documentation of the Chinese services at the Chinese embassy in Bangladesh, Gulshan.